The plausibility of wormholes, shortcuts through spacetime. Title: The plausibility of wormholes, shortcuts through spacetime. Introduction. The notion of wormholes has captivated the human imagination for decades, fueled by science fiction and popular culture. These hypothetical structures, often depicted as mysterious tunnels connecting distant parts of the universe, have become a staple of interstellar travel in our collective consciousness. But beyond the realm of fiction, what is the scientific basis for wormholes? Can they really serve as shortcuts through spacetime? In this article, we will explore the plausibility of wormholes and delve into the fascinating world of theoretical physics. Understanding spacetime. Before delving into wormholes, it is crucial to comprehend the concept of spacetime. According to Albert Einstein's theory of general relativity, spacetime is a four-dimensional framework that encompasses both space and time. Mass and energy distort the fabric of spacetime, causing objects to follow curved paths. This curvature is responsible for the force of gravity experienced by all objects and the universe. What are wormholes? In the simplest terms, wormholes are hypothetical shortcuts through spacetime that would allow instantaneous travel between two distant locations. Imagine folding a sheet of paper so that two distant points touch, creating a tunnel connecting them. This conceptual visualization helps us understand the basic idea behind wormholes. Einstein-Rosen bridges. The first mathematical description of wormholes was formulated in 1935 by Albert Einstein and Nathan Rosen, known as the Einstein-Rosen bridge. Their work proposed the existence of a connection between two separate universes or distant regions of spacetime through a tube-like tunnel. This concept opened up new possibilities, such as traversing immense cosmic distances in a fraction of the time t would normally take. Theoretical challenges. Negative energy and quantum physics. The notion of negative energy density raises eyebrows even among physicists. However, quantum physics, which governs the microscopic realm of particles, allows for brief fluctuations where negative energy can exist. These quantum effects have been observed in particle experiments, albeit for minuscule periods. Harnessing and stabilizing such negative energy in practical quantities necessary to sustain a wormhole remains an immense challenge. The energy problem. Another hurdle in realizing wormholes as shortcuts is the enormous energy requirements. The energy needed to keep a wormhole open, prevent its collapse, and traverse it without being crushed by intense gravitational forces is staggering. The current understanding of physics suggests that the energy required would far exceed anything achievable by known methods. This brings into question whether sufficiently advanced civilizations or novel technologies could harness such energy. The role of exotic matter. As mentioned earlier, wormholes would also require exotic matter to counteract their inevitable collapse due to immense gravitational forces. Exotic matter is predicted to possess negative energy density or violate certain energy conditions. However, despite ongoing theoretical advances, practical methods to generate or control exotic matter remain elusive. The search for such matter and its properties is an active area of research in theoretical physics. Quantum effects and wormhole stability. Quantum physics introduces further complexities when considering wormhole stability. Quantum fluctuations of particles within a wormhole could lead to instabilities, potentially causing it to collapse. Before any meaningful travel could take place. Understanding and manipulating these quantum effects within wormholes remains a significant challenge that researchers continue to explore. Wormholes and causality. One of the most intriguing aspects of wormholes relates to their impact on causality, the relationship between cause and effect. Since wormholes could potentially connect distant parts of the universe, the possibility of creating closed time-like curves arises. Closed time-like curves allow for time travel, leading to logical paradoxes and violations of causality. Resolving these paradoxes is essential for any theoretical framework involving wormholes. The possibility of time travel. One of the most intriguing implications of wormholes is their potential connection to time travel. In theory, if a wormhole can connect distant points in spacetime, it could also connect different moments in time. This raises the fascinating possibility of traveling to the past or the future through these cosmic shortcuts. However, the concept of time travel is riddled with paradoxes and logical inconsistencies. The most famous paradox is the grandfather paradox, where a time traveler goes back in time and kills their own grandfather, thereby preventing their own existence. This paradox highlights the contradictions that arise when causality is violated. The issue of causality is at the forefront of the debate surrounding the plausibility of time travel. If wormholes can create closed time-like curves, allowing for time travel, it would introduce the potential for paradoxes and violations of causality. Resolving these paradoxes is a significant challenge that theoretical physicists grapple with. One proposed solution to the causality problem is the Novikov self-consistency principle. According to this principle, any actions taken by a time traveler in the past would lead to outcomes that are consistent with the present. In other words, no matter what actions are taken in the past, they would ultimately result in the same future that led to the creation of the wormhole in the first place. While the Novikov principle offers a possible resolution to the causality problem, it raises its own set of questions and challenges. For example, it requires a highly constrained set of circumstances and events to ensure that no paradoxes arise. Additionally, it relies on a deterministic view of the universe, where all events are predetermined and fixed. Current understanding and future directions. The study of wormholes and their implications for interstellar travel and time travel is still in its infancy. Theoretical physicists continue to explore the intricacies of wormholes, exotic matter, and quantum effects in the hope of uncovering new insights and solutions. One area of ongoing research is the search for viable solutions to the energy problem. Advancements in our understanding of quantum gravity may also shed light on the plausibility of wormholes. Currently, there is no complete theory that reconciles general relativity with quantum mechanics. However, theories such as string theory and loop quantum gravity offer potential avenues for bridging this gap and potentially uncovering new physics related to wormholes. In recent years, there have been intriguing developments in the field of quantum information theory. Some researchers propose that wormholes may have underlying connections to entanglement, quantum teleportation, and the holographic principle. These connections hint at a deeper relationship between wormholes and the fundamental nature of spacetime. Title: The Plausibility of Wormholes, Shortcuts Through Spacetime. Introduction. The notion of wormholes has captivated the human imagination for decades, fueled by science fiction and popular culture. These hypothetical structures, often depicted as mysterious tunnels connecting